Hey guys, looking to monetize your time on ZeeTok? Whether you're new or aiming to boost your earnings, this guide will walk you through the steps to start making money. So firstly, begin by downloading the ZeeTok app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Set up your profile with clear photos and complete the verification process to build trust with potential chat partners. ZeeTok allows you to connect with users worldwide through text and video chats. By engaging in conversations, especially video calls, you can earn coins, which are the in-app currency. During chats, users can send you virtual gifts. These gifts translate into coins, increasing your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough coins, navigate to the wallets section in the app. Here you can convert your coins into real money and withdraw it via supported payment methods. Share your referral code with friends. When they sign up and start using the app, you earn additional coins, enhancing your income. And also guys, the tips for you: regularly logging in and engaging with users increases your visibility and earning potential. Genuine interactions encourage users to spend more time chatting, leading to more coins. Share your ZeeTok profile on social media platforms to attract more chat partners. So earning money on ZeeTok is straightforward. Set up a compelling profile, engage in meaningful conversations, and watch your coin balance grow. Ready to start? Download ZeeTok and begin. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.